Good afternoon, student. In this video, I'm going to discuss set. Now, what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. For example, the collection of interesting topic in your syllabi is not a well-defined collection, as a particular topic in mathematics may be interesting for some student, but this topic may not be interesting for other. That means the selection varies from individual to individual. So this collection is not a well-defined. If it is a not well-defined collection, it is not going to be a set. But if I write the collection of all topic in your syllabi, now the syllabi collection will remain same for every student. So that means this collection is a well-defined collection. So some examples of set are like if I write the collection of all prime number which are less than 18, they will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. This is a well defined, right? Because every student is going to write the same answer. So that means this collection is well defined. So it represents a set. The collection of all vowels in English alphabets like A, E, I, O, U. The collection of rivers in India, even if you write the collection of even positive integers, they are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Now, one more important thing, the object which belongs to a set, they are called its member or elements. So, you can also modify your definition of set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects, or you can say members or elements. Next is the notations for set. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters, say capital A, B, and C, etc. And their elements are generally denoted by small letter A, B, C. Now let A be any set and small a be any elements of set. Then we'll represent this by this A belongs to set A. And you will read it like this: A belongs to set A, or A is an element of set A. If A is not an object of set A, then you will write this symbol. This symbol denote does not belongs to, and it shows it belongs to set A. Right? So you will read this like A is not an element of set A. Now, some important examples of set used particular in the field of mathematics. They are given below. You generally denote the set of natural by capital N, the set of integers by capital Z. In some books, we are also going to have capital I for integers. Q, the set of rational numbers. R, the set of all real numbers. Z plus, the set of all positive integers. Next is the representation of sets. Sets are generally denoted in two ways. The first is roster form, or you can say tabular form. Generally in your books it's written here roster form only. The second is set builder form. So what is roster form? In this form, we list all the elements of set, separating them by means of comma and then enclosing them in the curly brackets. You are going to draw the bracket like this. Right? For example, the n, the set of natural numbers. Naturals are in roster form. Write all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the naturals are infinite, so we'll write this dash 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 and then enclose them in curly brackets. If you are not going to apply the brackets, the question will be incorrect. Next, W, the set of whole numbers. Whole number they will start from 0. So we'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again they are infinite. So we'll write this like this. And then enclose them in these curly bracket. Now let A be the set of all prime numbers between 1 and 10. They are 2, 3, then next is 5, 7, and then apply these bracket. The second form of representation of set is set builder form. Now in this form, instead of listing all the element of set, we write the set by some special property or the properties which are satisfied by all its element. So you'll write like this: A is the set of, you'll apply the curly bracket, those x, set of all those x which satisfies say journal property Px. This set builder form is very easy to apply. Like in the case you have to write the set of all consonant in English alphabets, right? So they are That means there are 21 consonants. So we generally try to write them in the form of set builder, right? Like I have written the example of natural number. First you will apply these bracket, set of those x. Now what property x is satisfying? You know that x is a natural number. We'll just write here set of those x such that, you will read this, such that x is a natural number. Now B, the set of all vowels in English alphabet. B, first you will write down the bracket, these curly brackets, set of those x. Now what is this set B? It is the set of all vowels. You will specify x is a vowel in English alphabet system. Now two more important points. The order of writing the elements of set is immaterial. For example, I write 1 3 5, then I write 3 5 1. Next is 5 comma 3 comma 1. This is your roster form. The elements are same, right? Their order is different, but the set will remain same. So the order of writing the elements of set is immaterial. These three are representing the same set. The second is, an element of set is not written more than once. Like in this set, 2, 2, 2. That means I have written here 2, 3 times. But you will write this only one time. So you'll write this 2, again 3, next 4 is repeating 2 times. But we'll write this only one time. 5 is repeating 2 times. So we'll write this as one time. These two are representing the same set. But we'll write our answer only in this form. That means we are not going to write any element more than one time. Now first question from exercise 1.1. Which of the following are said? Justify your answer. The collection of all months of an year which are beginning with the letter J. We know that the collection of all months which are beginning with the letter J are January, June, July. There are 3 months in a year which are beginning with the letter J. January, June, July. So that means this collection is well defined. So it represents a set. Now collection of 10 most talented writer of India. Now the word most talented, this is not a well defined. This is a vague word because the collection is going to be vary from person to person or from individual to individual. So this collection does not represent a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again, the team of 11 batsmen of the world is not well defined, as the choice of the best cricket batsmen, they may vary from individual to individual. So this collection is not well defined. Hence it is not a set. Next is the collection of all boys in your class. Now again the collection of all boys in your class is well defined. So it represents a set. The collection of all natural number less than 100. We know that there are 99 natural number which are less than 100. 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. It will goes up to 99. So that means this collection is well defined. So this collection represents a set. Second question, let A is set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This symbol is for belongs to and it is for does not belongs to in the blank spaces. Now 5. You have to write your answer. Clearly 5 is in the set A. So we'll write 5 belongs to set A. Next is 8. 8 is not here. We'll write 8 does not belongs to set A. 0. Check here. 0 is not here. So we'll write 0 does not belongs to set A. Question number 3. Write the following set in roster form. Now in roster form you are going to write the element and then you are going to separate them by help of comma, right? A. Set of those x such that this is your set builder form and you have to write your answer in roster form. X is an integer and x is greater than minus 3 but less than 7. So greater than minus 3. You'll start from minus 2. But if in question it is written here x is greater than or equal to minus 3, then in that case you will start from minus 3. But now here it is x is greater than minus 3. We'll start from minus 2, then minus 1, next comma 0, x less than 7. Less than 7, we'll write 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Right? I'm again repeating. If the question is like this, x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 7. Then you will start from minus 3 here and you are going to end your answer at 7. Third part, see, x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of digits is 8. So, we start from 1, 7. 17, you will not write 0, 8 because it is going to be 1-digit number. So, this is 17. Next is 2, 6, 26, comma, 3, 5, 35, comma, 4, 4, comma, 53. The next is 62, comma, 71, comma, 80. And then you are going to apply these curly bracket. F, the set of all letters in the word better. So, F set is apply bracket, curly bracket, B. Next letter is E. Next T. Now, T is repeating again, but we are going to write any element only one time, comma, this R. This E is also repeating, but you will write any element only one time. Write the following set in this set builder form. 3, 6, 9, 12. Look here, these are multiple of 3. This is 3 into 1. This is 3 into 2. 3 into 3. 3 into 4. So, I'll write the bracket, curly bracket, set of those x such that. You can also write here y, t, z, any variable. And then you have to write the value of property of that variable only. I have written here x such that x is equal to 3n, or this is a multiple of 3, comma, n belongs to natural. That means n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 4. You can also write n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4, because the natural number, they will start from 1 only, right? So, in this case, you can either write like this or you can also write like this. The second part, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You can write the 2 as 2 raised to the power 1, 4, 2 raised to the power 2, 8, 2 raised to the power 3. This is 2 raised to the power 4 and 32 as 2 raised to the power 5. So, B set is set of those x such that. Now, write the property of x. X is equal to 2 raised to the power n. This n is greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 5. You can also write like this only. N is less than or equal to 5. And it is also important to specify this n is a natural number or n belongs to natural. The fourth part, 2, 4, 6, so on. Just look here. These are positive even integers. So, I have written in two ways. Set of those x. X is an even natural number, or set of those x. X is an even positive integer. Question number 5. List all the elements of the following set. First part, A, set of those x where x is a odd natural number. You have to write the elements of this set, odd natural number. Now tell me what are odd natural number. First you'll apply your bracket. They are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. They are infinite in number. B set of those x such that x is an integer and x is greater than minus 1 by 2, less than 9 by 2. Important part, x is an integer. This is greater than minus 1 by 2. Now, minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. X is greater than minus 0.5. 9 by 2 means 4.5. And this is less than 4.5. Right? So, greater than minus 0.5. But your answer, you'll start from 0, comma, next element 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. And then you are going to apply this curly bracket. The third part, C set. X is an integer and x square less than or equal to 4. Now tell me the integers whose square is less than or equal to 4. Just check here. Minus 2 square is 4. So this is less than or equal to 4. If I check minus 1 square, this is also plus 1 which is less than or equal to 4. 0 square is 0. Then positive integer 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. So that means your answer is minus 2, comma minus 1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, and then enclose them in the curly brackets.